Those of you who don't know me, my name is Greg Hamill. I run a multiple six-figure online fitness business, and I also help clients grow their own online fitness business. One of the things that I was sending out to a couple of people this week was my 30-day tracker. This was my 30-day action tracker when I was growing my business. So I basically made up a document like this and I would track it. And the one thing that I do is I put this up on Instagram yesterday. I needed to update this vision board because I've done basically most of the stuff that was on it. £20,000 per month, that was my take home goal. Done that, so I've updated it to 40, which I will hit in the next couple months, I would imagine. And I've got my action planner on here as well. So as I go through the month, I'll fill it out. So by having it on my vision board, this is my office with all my books. So as I go through and look at my vision board, I'm going through my daily planner. So I'm putting these tasks down and I know what the bigger picture is when I complete these tasks. I've also got a digital copy of this, which I'm going to show you guys just now. If you want it, just comment below and I'll pop it over to you, or give me your email and I'll send it over to you. Message me on Instagram. I'll put the handle below, but I'm going to show this with you. I'm going to show this to you just now, and basically what I've set at the top of it as well. But this is the number one thing, because everyone trying to grow their business is always looking for the next thing, the next shiny object, the next big thing. That, okay, this is the new secret that some other mentors put in place. Having a mentor is probably one of the best investments you can make. It's got my business to where it is now. I will always have mentors. I think inevitably you will eventually outgrow certain mentors when you surpass where they're at, which is something that I've done every single time. But this is one of the most important things you can do. It's these small daily actions. It's the same as if you're trying to do anything. If you're trying to lose weight, we know that it's the small daily actions. Tracking calories, keeping our output high with steps, getting to the gym, getting a good night's sleep, not going off track with food. It's the same stuff growing a business. It's just the small, repeatable tasks. That's literally it. So with these, so this basically puts this into perspective for myself when I look at this vision board. Those are the goals. Again, a lot of them I've done. Those are the goals, but I know that in order for me to achieve those goals, I need to kind of reverse engineer that. So the work that I do day to day is the goal. That is the goal, and it just removes so much stress from your brain when you start to think like that. The work that I'm doing today is the goal, because if I tick all these boxes on my 30-day tracker, I know that I'm moving towards that end goal every single day, whatever that is. Whether it's my house in Mallorca, the £40,000 target per month take home personal for myself, which I will do this year. I know that by just doing these small daily things, I will get to that point. So then it just removes the guesswork entirely. So I'll show you what this looks like just now if I can flip this round. Right, so I wasn't able to flip it around. I've just started a new video. So at the top, you can see this. Obviously, there's a spelling mistake. Make sure you track your performance every single day. Make ticking this sheet your sole desire and purpose for each day. Focus on ticking off these boxes every single day for the next 30 days, and things will seriously change in your life and your business. So these buttons at the top, you can basically change these to whatever you want. 5 a.m. wake up, affirmations, which I do. Content posted is one post on social media. Story post, time for 5 per day. A CTA, conversations, follows, email, read one chapter, bedtime 10. So super, super easy. If you want a copy of this, just put your comment below, send me your Instagram, give me a follow on Instagram. I'll put my IG handle below and I'll send one over to you.